In this video I'll show you how to log into your site using secure FTP. If you just log in, if you create an FTP account and log in through FileZilla the standard way, any hacker that's sniffing your network can easily obtain your password and gain access to your account. So there's things you can do to prevent that. What I want you to do is download FileZilla. So just Google FileZilla if you don't already have it. Click on the download, and if you're using Windows, just download it. Okay, I already have it installed, so I'm going to open that up. Let me close this. Okay, so the domain and the host I'm going to be working on is called techguystaging.com, and we can easily connect to it. This would be the standard way. So techguystaging.com, I use my username, my cPanel username, and we're connected. Okay, and you can access all my files. Now that's easy to do, but it's not the safest way to do it. Now to connect securely, first let's disconnect. Now what we want to do is click on this little icon up here, which is the site manager. I have no sites currently, but I want to add that. I want to add the TechGuyStaging site. So I'm going to click New Site and rename this. So we want to put in the host just like we did here. Okay, so techguystaging.com. And what we want to do here is under protocol, we want to choose SFTP, SSH File Transfer Protocol. Okay, and then here, logon type, we're going to choose normal, and I'm going to type my credentials in again. And then click connect. So we're connected, and we're connected a lot more securely, just taking those little extra steps. And now if we click on this arrow up here, we have our site that's available to us whenever we want to connect to it, and we'll connect to it securely. Now if you want to take this a step further, we can create some public private key authentication to log in. So what this will do is it'll actually allow us to log in without a password, but we'll be using authentication keys, and what this will prevent a brute force SSH attack. Not all hosts offer this. I'm using HostGator right now, so in my cPanel I can go to SSH/shell access, and what we want to do here is click on manage SSH keys. Alright, so let's generate a new key. Okay, key name, that's fine. Now password, just type in any password, should be secure. You can use the password generator also. Alright, so we'll leave the type and the size, and we'll click generate key. So the key has now been generated. If we go back, we can see the key here which says not authorized. So we want to click on manage authorization and click authorize. Okay, so now our key is now authorized. What we need to do now is download the private key. So under private keys, we want to click view/download. Now when we're dealing with FileZilla, we can't use the standard, the ID DSA open key. We got to create a PPK formatted key. So here you just want to type in the passphrase that you created when we created the key. Click convert, and now download the key. I actually already did this, so I'm just going to re-download it. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to delete these. I guess I can't delete them at the same time. Alright, so let's download that. And now what we want to do is go to FileZilla and go to Edit Settings, SFTP, and click on Add Key File. Now we want the PPK key that we just downloaded, and it's just asking us if we want to convert it to an unprotected file, and we have to do that, so we'll click yes. Then you just want to enter your phrase. Now we have to save this key, so I'm going to say ID underscore DSA2, save, and then we have our key. So click OK, and now we can just connect using the site manager, and you can see right here this line shows us that we're using that key file. So this is the most secure that you're going to get with standard FTP and FileZilla. And it's just a good idea to use this method. It's actually easier because you just have it saved, so you don't have to keep entering it in here or anything like that. So next we'll use this connection to upload and install WordPress.